One of the greatest joys in this world is falling in love, but making someone fall in love with you is not always easy. Are you in a situation where you secretly like your partner but are unsure how to go about it? If you are curious about what you can do to increase your chances of making someone fall in love with you, do not worry. It's a common desire that people have, but the answer isn't always clear. Science has uncovered that there are certain things you can do to increase your chances of making someone fall in love with you. It can be a difficult task, but in this video, we'll show you some strategies that are backed by science and proven to work. If you are ready to win your love, keep watching till the end. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's start. Number 10. Use the power of scent. Have you ever thought of using the power of scent to win someone over? Studies have shown that certain scents, like vanilla and lavender, can increase attraction and stimulate positive emotions. Next time you are around someone you're interested in, try wearing perfume or cologne with a hint of these scents, or use candles or essential oils with these scents in your living space to create a calming atmosphere. However, it's important to be aware of the amount of scent you use, as it can be overwhelming if too strong. Additionally, scent preferences are unique to each person, so it's best to choose scents that you enjoy and feel comfortable with. Number 9. Create a sense of mystery. People are naturally drawn to things that are mysterious. By revealing only a little about yourself, you can create a sense of intrigue and keep them interested. For example, you could mention that you have an interesting hobby or talent, but not reveal what it is until later on. Or you could casually mention that you have traveled to many places, but only reveal a few details about your favorite destination. Keeping them guessing creates a sense of mystery and makes you more fascinating. Another example could be to dress in a slightly mysterious way. Wear clothes that leave something to the imagination. However, it's important to strike a balance between being mysterious and being too closed off. Ultimately, creating a sense of mystery is about leaving enough room for the other person to want to know more. Number 8. Share your meal. Sharing a meal with someone can be a simple yet effective way to create a bond, whether with a friend, a family member, or a romantic interest. Bringing extra food or offering a bite of your dish can create a moment of intimacy and connection. It's important to ensure the other person is interested and willing to share before offering your food. Dining out at a cozy restaurant can also create a sense of closeness. Choosing a place with a comfortable atmosphere, warm lighting, and delicious food can enhance the experience even further. Trying new cuisines and sharing dishes can be an adventure that brings you closer together and allows you to explore different cultures. Remember to be present and engaged with your partner when sharing a meal. Put your phone away and focus on the conversation. Taking the time to savor the food and appreciate the experience together can help build intimacy and create lasting memories. Number 7. Kindness. When it comes to attracting someone, kindness can go a long way. Being kind and compassionate towards the person you're interested in can help create a deep connection and trust. It's important to remember that kindness is not just about doing nice things for the other person, but also about respecting their boundaries and treating them with empathy. Let's say you're interested in someone you've just met and want to show them kindness to spark a romantic connection. You can help them with something, like carrying their heavy bags or holding the door open. Small gestures like these can make them feel valued and appreciated, increasing their attraction to you. Another example could be sending them a kind text message to make their day. Listen to them and show genuine interest in what they have to say. This can make them feel seen and heard, creating a sense of emotional connection between you. Kindness can also come in the form of compliments and positive affirmations. Letting them know you appreciate their unique qualities and personality traits can make them feel special. Number 6. Maintain good hygiene. Have you ever gone on a date with someone who had bad breath or body odor? It's not a pleasant experience, is it? You might have even found yourself turned off and wanting to end the date early. On the other hand, have you ever gone on a date with someone who smells terrific and looks well put together? It makes a big difference, doesn't it? You might have found yourself more attracted to them and wanting to spend more time with them. That's why maintaining good hygiene is so important when it comes to dating and relationships. Taking care of yourself and your surroundings shows that you respect yourself and others. Plus, who doesn't love the feeling of being clean and fresh? So next time you're getting ready for a date or going out in general, make sure to take the time to shower, brush your teeth, and wear clean clothes. And don't forget to keep your living space clean and tidy too. You never know, it could make all the difference in attracting and maintaining a romantic relationship. Number 5. Touch. You know that feeling when you shake hands with someone and you just feel an instant connection? That's the power of touch at work. Touch is a potent sense that can have a big impact on attraction and even love. When we touch someone, our bodies release oxytocin, which is often referred to as the love hormone. It's responsible for creating those warm, fuzzy feelings of intimacy and connection. That's why touch can be so effective in building attraction and creating a strong bond between two people. Just make sure to do it respectfully and with their permission. With that said, a gentle touch on the arm or hand can be a great way to create a deeper connection and build attraction. It shows that you're interested and can help foster a strong relationship. Number 4. Help them. If you want to build a stronger relationship with someone, helping them with something they struggle with can be a great way to show that you care and make them feel good. It could be anything from lending a hand with homework to helping them organize their closet. If you make yourself available to help on a regular basis, it can even become a habit for them to turn to you first when they need assistance. This can strengthen your bond and create a sense of trust and reliability. Of course, it's important to approach the situation with respect and consideration for their boundaries. You don't want to force your help on them or make them feel uncomfortable. It's also essential to keep in mind that they might not always want or need your help, so don't take it personally if they decline. Number 3. Use humor. When you are with someone you love and feel like the conversation is stiff and awkward, you can use humor to break the ice and create a more relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere. For instance, you can make a joke about the restaurant's weird decor. If you cannot make a joke on the spot, use technology. Read any appropriate joke online, crack it loudly, and start laughing. Humor is definitely a powerful tool when it comes to attracting someone and creating a connection with them. When we make someone laugh, it releases endorphins in the brain, which can produce feelings of happiness and pleasure. And associating those positive feelings with a person can lead to a stronger attraction towards them. Number 2. Be adventurous. When you want someone to love you, being adventurous can be a great way to show your fun side and create unique experiences. Who doesn't love a little bit of excitement and thrill? You can start small by trying out a new restaurant, going on a weekend trip, or even exploring a new neighborhood. It's all about having fun and creating new memories together. You don't have to go all out and try extreme sports like bungee jumping or skydiving if that's not your thing. Do something a little out of your comfort zone and bring your crush along for the ride. Not only does being adventurous show that you're willing to try new things and take risks, but it also makes you more interesting and exciting to be around. Plus, you never know, your crush might find your spontaneous and daring side attractive. Being adventurous can be a great way to attract someone by showing them your spontaneous and fun-loving side. So why not give it a try and create some unforgettable memories with the person you're interested in? Number 1. Make eye contact. Have you ever locked eyes with someone and just felt this undeniable connection? It's like, at that moment, nothing else in the world matters except the person you're looking at. That's the power of eye contact. When you make eye contact with someone, you're not just looking at them, you're really seeing them. It's a vulnerable and intimate experience that can create a deep sense of connection and understanding between two people. And let's be real, who doesn't want that kind of connection? In fact, studies have shown that eye contact can release feel-good chemicals in the brain, like oxytocin, that creates a sense of closeness and attachment between two people. So not only does eye contact feel good, it can actually help you fall in love with someone. So the next time you're talking to someone you're interested in, don't be afraid to look them in the eyes and really see them. You never know, it could be the start of something amazing. That's it for today. Now, you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you how to know if you truly love someone. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.